Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Friends, in this video I will tell you about what is Netboom application. So friends, this is amazing application. You can download it from the Play Store, App Store, in any smartphone you have. So this is game application. So you can see these games only available on PC. So you can see this is GTA 5, Red Dead Redemption 2. You can see EA Sports. So there are lots of dooms, lots of applications and games are here on PC only. You can simply play it using this. You can see you have to purchase this. So this is super low price, 500 rupees per month. It gives you 20 hours for 1 month. You can play any game 20 hours only. You can see 20 hours only, or you can see this. You can buy coins also, 690 rupees for 1200 coins. 120 rupees coins will be exhausted for 1 hour. Play any games you want to play. You can pay from your any PayPal, Google Pay. There are lots of. And I will tell you one more thing. If you don't want to pay any amount money, so you can use this, watch ads and collect rewards. So you can free game time number one. So you can watch one ad 4 rupees. You can see you can use these daily tasks to watch something. You can see you will get sometimes. You can see 4 4 5 5 6. So these coins you have to collect, and after that you can play it. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.